How to find a winning Shopify dropshipping product. All right, so first thing is first, this is the number one question that I get literally every single day is, Michael, what's a product that works? What's a winning product? What's something that you see that's working? What's a winning product that can make tens of thousands of dollars? Don't try and reinvent the wheel. Don't try and reinvent the wheel. That's what I see so many people doing and failing. They find these products that they've never seen before, they think are awesome, and they just try to, be the creator of the product. With dropshipping, you aren't the creator. You aren't inventing these products. You aren't, manufacturing these products. You aren't creating them, so don't try and do that. There's a little saying, good artists copy, great artists steal. And that's kind of my, quote that I live by with dropshipping. And look, there's, multiple ways of essentially, stealing that are, ethically correct and then just totally, just kind of shitty. And what I always say is to, don't try and create something new, but piggyback off of a proven concept. Do something that's already working and make it your own and make it better. And, the reason why I say this is because you end up not wasting as much money in the long run. So what I like to do is really, look, you're on Instagram all the time, you're on Facebook all the time, you're on social media. You're personally getting bombarded with ads all the time. What I like to say is, you see an ad for a bracelet. You see it once, you know in the back of your head, just because of your knowledge, that's totally being drop shipped. Okay. The next day you see the bracelet again, and then the next day you see the bracelet again on this same page. They're not wasting this money on ads for no reason. Obviously, if the person behind this product, the drop shipper behind this product, is pushing this bracelet every single day, they're not just spending, hundreds of dollars for no reason. They're not just, let's try it, let's just keep throwing the bracelet up, maybe we'll get one sale. No, if they're not getting a sale, they're going to stop it and try something else. So if you keep seeing it, that obviously means it's working. It obviously means they're selling. It obviously means that their website is working, the product is working. And that's kind of what I say to find winning products, is to find something you're passionate about, right? And 9 out of 10, you will be targeted with these ads because Facebook is super good at targeting, and for good advertisers, they're targeting something you're passionate about. So you'll automatically have it coming to you already. Look at the product that you're passionate about and see that, okay, it's working. This bracelet is working. Let me try and find this bracelet online and let me try to sell it for myself. And that's probably the number one, advice I can give when searching for these winning products is don't try and spend hours searching for these new products that you've never seen before, and you're going to be totally new. You're going to create the next fidget spinner. You're going to be the start of the trend. Don't do that. Because here's the thing. Even if you do find a product that works, right, bigger guys are going to see, you doing this product nonstop. They're going to be getting targeted. Somebody is going to see it. And what they're going to do is just totally rip you off. They're going to take the product that you essentially found that works and then take it and advertise it for themselves with a much larger budget, maybe thousands of dollars a day. So why do that for somebody, right? Why not be on the other end? See a product that's actually already working so you know it will sell, and then taking it for yourself and selling it on your own. What I like to say is that with every single product, there's kind of a market. So you think of like a pie chart, right? And all these guys who are drop shipping it or creating it are taking a piece of the pie. They're taking, 5%, 2%. If the market's, $1 million a month, I mean, you really don't need much of that pie to make a shit ton of money. And that's what I like to say a lot too is, be greedy, but take your piece of the pie. If you see a product that's working, there's space, there's room for you because the product's being advertised, people are buying it. Why not get on board? Why not take that product and make it your own? Now, I'm not saying to go on websites and literally copy and paste their, their product descriptions and just copy everything. That's just kind of messed up. But what I can say is go onto the product page, see what they're doing, and essentially knock it off and make it your own and say to yourself, right, put yourself in a customer's shoes. If I were about to buy this product, what from this product page is it missing that would push me to buy it? That if it otherwise doesn't have now, if it did, I would personally buy it. Whether it be reviews, whether it be more of a discount code, whether the price be a little bit more and you know that you can make slightly less margins but make it cheaper for the customer. Think along those lines. You're in the customer business. You're in the person-to-person business. You're trying to please the consumer. And that's the whole point of this business. So if you can kind of exploit what the consumer is missing from these bigger guys with this product and kind of put it into your own, you'll find these winning products left and right. And that's the way to really find these products and make some money with drop shipping. So easy, so effective, without wasting any money. So guys, if you like these videos, I'm going to be trying to upload so much more content a day. Drop a comment below and let me know what you would like to see, what some topics you would like to me to touch on. And if you have any questions about the things I spoke about, definitely drop a comment and I will reply to everything I get. And I will see you guys in the next video.